squared.
So let's go and talk about the building blocks of life. We're made up of cells, they keep us alive. If you listen closely, you will understand well. There is many different organelles that make up the cell. Learning about cells. Learning about cells. So let's go and talk about the building blocks of life. We're made up of cells, they keep us alive. Nucleus comes first, no it ain't the worst. Holds DNA, there's no need to converse. Kind of like a brain that controls everything. Divides by mitosis, there's no need to complain. Second on the list, gotta be the membrane. Semi-permeable, gotta tell it your name. Can't get through unless you're part of that thing. The cell wall comes next, it's not really complex. In bacteria and plants, it supports and protects. Guess what comes next? It's the ribosomes, can't guess. It's the factory making all the proteins. You need ATP to power the needs. This can only happen by the food getting converted. The chloroplasts are green. You know what I mean? They use a process, photosynthesis, to get the food they need. So let's go and talk about the building blocks of life. We're made up of cells. They keep us alive. If you listen closely, you will understand well. There is many different organelles that make up the cell. Learn about cells. Learn about cells. So let's go and talk about the building blocks of life. We're made up of cells. They keep us alive. Learn about cells. We're coming along. Inside the vacuole, where things don't go wrong. Food, water, and waste make up the EAC rule. Only in plants, it's like a big bowl. With like weather, it don't matter. It is just for moving, got me racing all through. Shrimp, papa, jello, don't forget the Golgi. Put some in materials as easy as can be. Depends on the ER to carry its needs. Speaking of the ER, the highway rough and smooth. The rough ER has ribosomes, the smooth ones for your grooves. It conveys materials faster. Are you checking my reception? Around the cell it moves. Meet up for a connection. They help themselves make matter, and they get the goodies they deserve. And lastly, we talked about where everything's preserved. It's called the cytoplasm. Don't worry, plasm has it. It holds the parts together so they don't move and blend. So let's go and talk about the building blocks of life. We're made up of cells. They keep us alive. If you listen closely, you will understand well. There is many different organelles that make up the cell. Learn about cells. Learn about cells. So let's go and talk about the building blocks of life. We're made up of cells. They keep us alive. If you listen closely, you will understand well. There is many different organelles that make up the cell. Learn about cells.
It's your man Justin, the producer. I'm your man Justin, the producer. Thanks for watching.
And we're Lexi Squared. Learning about cells. Learning about cells.
Featuring Lexi Squared.